The F-35A was built by Lockheed Martin, and the first flight was on the 15th of December, 2006. The aircraft has three main variants: the conventional takeoff and landing, F-35A, the short takeoff and vertical landing, F-35B, and the carrier-based F-35C. The F-35B entered service with the U.S. Marine Corps in July of 2015, followed by the U.S. Air Force F-35A in August 2016, and the U.S. Navy F-35C in February of 2019. This lethal aircraft measures in at 51.4 feet long, 14.4 feet high, and has a wingspan of 35 feet. Its horizontal tail spans 22.5 feet, and when empty, the aircraft weighs 29,300 pounds. In order to minimize the structural weight and complexity of assembly, the wing box section integrates the wing and fuselage section into one piece. To minimize radar signature, sweep angles are identical for the leading and trailing edges of the wing and tail. The fuselage and canopy have sloping sides. The seam of both the canopy and the weapon bay doors are sawtooth, and the aircraft includes canted vertical tails. The Marine variant of the Joint Strike Fighter is very similar to the Air Force variant, but with a slightly shorter range because some of the space used for fuel is used for a lift fan of the short takeoff and vertical landing aircraft propulsion system. The main differences between the naval variant and the other versions of the Joint Strike Fighter are associated with carrier operations. The internal structure of the naval version is very strong to withstand the high stresses of catapult-assisted launches and tailhook-arrested landings. The aircraft has larger wing and tail control surfaces for low-speed approaches for carrier landing. Larger leading-edge flaps and foldable wingtip sections provide a larger wing area, which provides an increased range and payload capacity. The canopy, radar, and most of the avionics are common to the three variants. The center fuselage assembling process includes loading of an all-composite air inlet duct into a special tooling structure called a jig, followed by 18 major steps, such as bonding metal frames around the duct. The frame serves to brace and position the ducts properly within the center fuselage.